Welcome to this recording on how to install WordPress manually on your cPanel hosting account. The first thing that we're going to do is come to wordpress.org and then download the WordPress package. I'm going to save that to my desktop. Once it's finished, I'm going to go to the cPanel login screen that you would get from your hosting provider. I'm going to put the username and password and click Login. Once you're logged in, click on File Manager. Make sure that you're in the public_HTML folder of your hosting provider, which is your root directory. The next thing we're going to do is click Upload, and I'm going to find that WordPress package. It's going to upload the entire zip folder to the directory. Once we're done, we're going to go back to the main root folder, and I'm just going to click Reload to make sure everything is here. I'm then going to click once on the WordPress zip folder, right-hand click, and I'm going to click Extract. I'm going to click the Extract Files button here. Now what it's going to do is it's going to create a folder called WordPress, but we want all the WordPress files to be in this directory. So I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to select all these files. I'm going to right-hand click on them, and I'm going to click Move. I'm then going to delete that folder name, making sure that I keep /public_HTML /, and then I'm going to click Move Files. Then I'm going to click on Home, Public HTML, and make sure that all the files are in here. I'm going to delete this folder that it originally created. I'm going to skip the trash and confirm. So now we have the entire WordPress installation and all the files that are here. I'm also going to delete the zip file because we don't need that anymore. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the cPanel main page. What we're going to do now is click on MySQL databases, and we're going to create a new database. Name it what you want here, and then click Create Database. I'm then going to copy that and paste that into a Word document. I'm going to go back. Now we need to create a user, MySQL user. I'm just going to name it something, and I'm going to use the password generator to generate a password. I'm then going to paste that password into the document. Then I'm going to press Create User. I'm going to hit back, and now what we want to do is add user to database. So I'm going to add the user that I just created to this database that I just created, and I'm going to click Add. I'm going to make sure that all privileges is checkmarked, and I'm going to click Make Changes. That has been confirmed. I'm going to click back, and then what I'm going to do is go back to the main page and back to File Manager. Double click on Public HTML and look for this file here, wp-config-sample. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rename this file and remove the word sample and that dash. So it's just wp-config.php. Click Rename Files, and then find that file again. I'm going to right-hand click on it and click Edit. I'm just going to click Edit. What I'm going to do now is copy the database name, and where this is here, I'm going to paste that. Now the username, I would have copied it as well, but I forgot. So I'm just going to remove that and put it like that. And the password, I'm going to copy and make sure that I paste in the right spot, right there. I'm then going to click Save Changes and then close. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the domain name and go to I'm actually not going to put install. I'm just going to go to there. Sorry about that. This is the default WordPress main page. I want to select English and click Next. For the site title, I'm just going to put the name of the website, and I'm going to choose a username, and password, I'm just going to select something, and then I'm going to put an email address, which I'll just put mine for now. Actually, I'm not going to put mine. Yeah, I'm going to put mine for now. And then I'm just going to make sure that everything is done here, and I'm going to select Install WordPress. It's just going to take a couple of moments. And now I'm going to click Login. And I've already sort of saved the password to my saved passwords list. And I'm just going to log in. And there you go. That's basically how you install WordPress from scratch on your cPanel hosting control panel. Thank you very much and have a good day.